Hi everyone, thank you for watching once again. The palette. Today we'll be doing two things. First, I'll take the palette out from this purple box, and then we'll have a look at what else is inside. Here's the beautiful palette. Oops, I hear something moving around inside. Hope it doesn't affect anything. Or rather, I hope it doesn't affect the operations. One box here. And another here. Wonder what they are. Power cable. This part here is a scroll wheel. Let's see what's inside this box. The items inside this box is what's supposed to be inside the palette toolkit. Eight gig SD card. The two hex keys, 2mm and 2.5mm here. Where's the mod tool hot tool spacer? Anyways, number 4. Yep. That's the hot tool spacer. Number 5, we have Velcro squares times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Velcro squares. 6 We have the USB A to USB B cable here. At number 7, we have the clear PLA filament, which is this. Number 8, we have the Teflon tube clip. Which is this. Number 9, we have the small Teflon tube for Bowden printer. Sorry, this should be number 9. And number 8 is this, the clip. So that's it for the toolkit contents. Now what's inside this? I'll guess this is the power supply. Let's have a look. Yes, right. Meanwhile, AC/DC switching adapter, 12 volts, 80 watts. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Sorry it's a bit messy. Well, just one last part before we end this video. Thanks for watching.